Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry mutton. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh mutton, cut into 1-inch pieces. We'll also prepare a vibrant array of aromatic spices, including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Don't forget to chop your onions, garlic, ginger, and fresh green chilies for the flavorful base. Finally, have some coconut milk or yogurt on hand for that perfect creamy finish. Now, let's talk about marination, a crucial step for incredible flavor. Combine your mutton with plain yogurt, a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of your chosen spices. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece of meat is well coated. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally, overnight in the refrigerator. This process tenderizes the mutton and allows those wonderful flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Next, we build the aromatic foundation of our curry. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn beautifully golden brown. Then, stir in the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, add your ground spices, toasting them gently for 60 seconds to release their full aroma. Finally, incorporate diced tomatoes or a spoonful of tomato paste for richness. Now for the final cooking stage. Add your marinated mutton to the pot, searing it on all sides until nicely browned. Pour in about 2 cups of water or broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours, or until the mutton is incredibly tender. Just before serving, stir in some coconut milk or a splash of cream for richness, and garnish with fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.